Today, I am going to guide you through using the V8 Mini. Open the protective cover, place the phone into the fixture, and press the button to tighten the clamp. Next, let's adjust the laser focus. Loosen the laser head valve, then turn the measuring probe until it gently contacts the phone. Tighten the valve to lock it in place, and finally retract the probe. Tap the screen to enter the main menu, then press the home button and wait for the machine to complete its alignment process. Now, select File from the menu, then choose your phone model and color. Next, click Preview to check if the laser path aligns perfectly with the phone's edges. Important. If the laser path does not align properly with the phone's edges as shown here, you must perform a realignment. Follow the previous alignment steps again. Method 1. First, return to the main menu. Then, tap Settings and select Restore Factory. Wait for the realignment process to complete. And run another preview check to verify the laser path alignment. Method 2. First, mark the midpoints on all four sides of the phone's back with a marker and connect them to form crosshairs. Then, press Power. Select 10% to enable the preview laser. Next, tap Move MM to set an appropriate travel distance. Use the navigation keys to position the laser head precisely over the center of the crosshairs. Go to Settings, select Set Origin, and confirm with Yes. Finally, run another preview to verify the laser path alignment. Place the corresponding metal protective template over the area. Click Start to begin the laser decoding process. And remember to close the protective cover for safety. During the process, you can adjust the laser head speed and control pausing or resuming. Let's wait a moment for it to finish. The decoding for this white iPhone 11 is now complete, taking 6 minutes and 34 seconds.